can.
Umvikeli walokhuya womphakathi uThuli Madonsela uhlathulule ukutsitsila kwakhe ukuyokuvela phambi kwekomitini eParlamente isection 94 ephenya bona khani sisamfanele isikhundla sakhe umvikeli womphakathi ojanyisiweko uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane nofana njani. uMadonsela wethule ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwekomiti le namhlanje kanti uzokuraga bekube kusasa. Nyakenye amagcwetha kaMkhwebane uMadonsela yokunikela ngobufakazi kodwa wabhala kanti kwenziwe isibawo sokudakufara uMadonsela bona avele phambi kwekomiti le kodwa ugcina sithandele ukuyokuvela namhlanje. Madonsela uhlathulula ukutsitsila kwakhe bonyana azowethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kwekomiti le.
Precisely because of the kind of questions that had been asked, it didn't seem to me that I am a witness to assist with providing evidence that could assist your client to explain herself to Parliament. The questions that I was sent in the very first letter were accusing me of certain things. And how are you going to have your statement prepared by somebody who already appears like they're trying to throw you under the bus?
Kuthe ngemva kwesikhatshana kwabonakala kuthoma ukutjhuba phakathi kwakhe negcwetha likaMkhwebane uAdvocate Dalimpofu.
This is anyway, it's fine. We're going to be patient. So okay. Anyway, the public knows. I mean, it's very clear now. We had a public protector who's not security cleared, who's not an advocate, as at least as defined in the current law.
Kuzwakale nomholi we-EFF uJulius Malema kuguneka athi
Honorable Malema, please conclude.
abazokutheliswa nguMadonsela ngalindlela.
I was not talking to her. I was talking to you, and I was saying to you, how do we proceed in that regard? Please, no one is bullying her here, and she's not going to bully us. You see, staying at Stellenbosch does not give anyone any right to bully us. It's not going to happen that one. Never. It will never happen with some of us.
Nasize moyeni besabambene.